And the DSWD says families who lost their homes are expected to be transferred to houses by mid-December. Priority families will be identified by social workers. This report.
The DPWH assured that the bunkhouses for the victims of Typhoon Yolanda will be fully constructed on December 15. In Barangay Abukay in Tacloban, 10 bunkhouses are currently under construction. Each bunkhouse has 24 rooms, where one family per room will reside. The bunkhouses also have a common bathroom with 8 showers and toilet cubicles, and a huge kitchen.
Then yung pinaka-laki po ng ang area is nasa almost 208 square meter. Then in every room, nasa almost 8 square meter. Then yung area na pagtatayuan namin, nasa 10 unit pang house.
Because the bunkhouses are limited, DSWD and the local government will prioritize the vulnerable sector.
Yung batayan ng pagpili kasama ang City Social Welfare and Development Office or Provincial Social Welfare and Development Office and the Municipal Social Welfare and Development Office, no? Sila kasi ay ang nasa komunidad, alam nila kung sino, at ito yung aming pagtutulungan, ang pinaka nangangailangan dahil sanggol o buntis na babae sa pamilya, may senior citizen na may sakit, at may kapansanan sa pamilya, PWD. Sila yung magiging priority na ililipat sa mga bunkhouses. At ang mag-identify ay ang mga Social Welfare and Development Offices ng munisipyo at ng probinsya at ng syudad, at kami yung katulong na magva-validate. So yun ho ang batayan.
For the People's Television, this is Ara Perez.